So I'm irritated because I couldn't say peculiar. I'm busy ripping these rhymes like the pages out my notebook. Don't look the right way, walking on the wrong foot. Life's a sad bro, who's old and feels ugly, but I got her in the palm of my hands like putty. Doing it on his own, fuck the buddy system. Murderizing instrumentals, that's the only victims. Ill spitting, hocking loogies, better check the symptoms. And these hoes turning into tricks like magicians. Well, you ain't fooling me, I'm tomfoolery. And I don't know shit, but you can bet I talk fluently. Hopping on some tracks, then I bungee jump peculiarly. They blowing out hot air like jacuzzis. Try to butter me up a little Paula Deen. Got money on my mind, yeah, I'm having dollar dreams. But anything that comes with a price tag, I don't trust it. My flow kicks butt, lick the skid marks, disgusting. Yeah. It ain't nothing. Huh. Destroying everything in sight. The young vandal, get a nice grip to fly off the damn handle. My business is low key, ain't nobody in it. I don't even try, this is karaoke pimping. Came in the game with a little bit of change, never backtrack, I'm in my lane. And if you hating on me, boy, use a lame. Probably wonder how your girlfriend know my name. You just a side meal, I'm the main entree. What up? You can hate all you want, bruh. I'ma still kill shit till I die, infinity and beyond.